In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the FaceTime camera not working on your iPhone, especially if you're using iOS 18. We've all been there, a call that demands immediate attention, but just as you're about to connect, the camera fails. Fortunately, these steps can help you get your FaceTime camera back on track. Firstly, when dealing with tech glitches, the simplest actions can sometimes be the most effective. Restarting your iPhone can work wonders by eliminating minor software bugs that could affect your camera functionality. A reboot realigns your iPhone's resources, often clearing out any temporary issues that might hinder your camera's performance. Next, let's make sure the issue is specific to FaceTime. Open applications like the Camera app or even Instagram to see if your camera functions normally there. If it does, it indicates the problem is indeed with FaceTime and not with your camera hardware, which is a useful diagnostic step. Now let's verify your FaceTime camera permissions. Navigate to your settings, then go to Privacy and Security, followed by Camera. Here, you need to ensure FaceTime is permitted to access your camera. If FaceTime isn't toggled on, simply enable it. Revoking and granting permissions again can sometimes reset underlying settings that might be causing issues. Another handy tip during an ongoing call is to flip the camera view. This is done by tapping the camera flip icon on the call screen. Not only does this let you switch between the front and back cameras, but it can also refresh the video feed, possibly resolving any lags or glitches. If flipping the camera doesn't do the trick, try closing and reopening FaceTime. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to enter the app switcher, and simply swipe up on the FaceTime app card to close it. Then restart FaceTime. Relaunching an app often refreshes its processes and can resolve operational issues. Staying updated with the latest software is crucial. iOS updates not only introduce new features but also fix known bugs. Go to Settings, tap General, and then Software Update to install any available updates for iOS 18. This ensures you have all the latest patches that might affect FaceTime's performance, including camera functionality. If the problem persists, consider resetting all settings on your iPhone. Under Settings, choose General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, followed by Reset, and select Reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't erase your personal data, but it will revert settings like Wi-Fi passwords and themes to their default configurations, potentially fixing the issue. Lastly, if you suspect a hardware malfunction, don't hesitate to contact Apple support. Sometimes problems are best handled by professionals, especially if you suspect a deeper technical issue. Remember, utilizing Apple support can give you peace of mind and ensure your device is in expert hands. These proactive measures should help most users resolve FaceTime camera issues efficiently and effectively.